Hi friends, curious to know why speed reading skills are necessary for every student? See, you know how to walk, I know how to walk. Who can walk faster? He is going to be a winner. You know jogging, I know jogging. Out of both of us, who can jog faster? He is going to be a winner. You know how to drive the car, I know how to drive the car, and if you know to drive the car faster, you're going to be a winner. So the thing is, you know reading, I know reading. Who can read faster? Means speedily how you can read. So what is speed reading? Speed reading is nothing but reading with speed but with understanding. So in this 21st century, when we are running short of time, attention span is coming down, we have too many obligations, too high a competition. And when we want to allocate our time on different things and we don't have much time to read, then what is the other alternative? There is no escape in reading all these books, but time is at premium and we are running short of time and we are not able to allocate so many hours. So if you learn how to read faster, is it going to become much more easy? Because every one of us have got a number of words that we can read in a minute. An average Indian, any person whose mother tongue is not English, their average reading speed is between 150 to 250 words per minute. And through the speed reading, speed can become double. And if you can double your reading speed, so this book, if you are spending 4 hours to read, the same book you can read in 2 hours. The rest of the time, you can use it for becoming an all-rounder. You may help your parents in the kitchen. You may help them, right, in cleaning the house. You may help your dad in accounting work. You may take your grandmother to the temple. You can go with your grandfather for a walk. You can work out in the gym and you can become an all-rounder. That means speed reading will help you to read faster with understanding, with better comprehension. And JSMA Mind Education is one such premium memory and speed reading institute which will help you to double your reading speed. Be it a student, be it a college going teenager, or you are a professional, or you are an adult, you want to read more books, but you want to allocate less time. How to do? I will make sure that you will be able to double your reading speed and thereby less time and more study and then greater success. So click the link below and register for this program, because every student must know how to read faster, and there is no college and there is no institute, there is no university which is offering you this course how to read. People tell you, read. How to read? They don't tell. It's like me asking you to become a cricketer, but I don't teach you how to hold the bat, how to take a stance, how to hit the ball. But I expect you to become Sachin Tendulkar. Is it fair on my part? Not really. Exactly. If I want you to become a good reader, better reader, and I want you to read more, I have to teach you how you can read faster, how you can read speedily, how you can double your reading speed. And these techniques are going to be helpful, and it's mandatory for every student, every teacher to master the speed reading skills, and you'll be able to double your reading speed, and thereby you can read more in less time with better concentration. So be part of the course. We'll be more than happy to help you in speed reading course.